These motorcycle customization videos are going extremely viral, getting millions of views. But have you ever wondered how they're actually made? Well, it's much easier than you think. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to Google Flow. Then, open the file, copy the master prompt, and paste it into Flow. Set the video model to OmniFlash. Now, change the motorcycle model. You can either type the motorcycle model or upload a reference image to keep every detail consistent. Let's search for a random model and hit Generate. The AI will create a complete customization sequence, step by step. It upgrades the wheels, the suspension, the brakes, the carbon fiber body kit, and even the lighting. Every scene is generated with smooth continuity, realistic hand movements, and satisfying macro details. And the best part? You can use the exact same workflow for any motorcycle you want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.